lovely people. Have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in the Logs Trail at Lakeside Garden in Jurong Lake Gardens. So here we go guys, stay with me. Enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Jurong Lake Gardens. Hi guys, today I'm here in Jurong Lake Gardens at Lakeside Garden guys. So I'm going inside now. Hi guys, actually the Jurong Lake Gardens consists of Chinese garden, Japanese garden, and also Lakeside Garden guys. And this is under National Parks Board. Hi guys, today I'm here in the Logs Trail. So I'm just going inside now. So this is the Logs Trail guys, butterfly field. This nature trail feature is made from materials recycled from rain trees, Salmonia salmon and Senegal Mahogany Kaya senegalensis trees. The untreated wood logs are held together to form a series of adventurous paths of different elevations under the shaded canopy intended to age naturally in the weather. So protective bark sapwood. So this is guys, and this is the heartwood growth rings. This is the heartwood, and this is the growth rings. And this is the sapwood, and this is the protective bark. So I'm going inside now guys. It's actually beautiful because it looks like greenery here. Yeah. And this is the fungi at the Logs Trail. Fungi are often mistaken for plants but are actually their own kingdom and are more similar to animals. Fungi cannot make their own food like plants do. Instead, they break down and feed on dead plants and other decaying matter. So this is guys. And that's the orange fungi growing. And that's the white one. It's actually very beautiful guys. Yeah, look at this guys. And you can step here. That's why they call this as a log trails. But you need to be careful guys also. Yeah, it's quite beautiful though. Yeah, look at this. They put a lot of trees here. They cut into pieces, I mean into rings. Yeah, they also have here. And this is located in front of Therapeutic Garden in Butterfly Field. And this is also a fungi at the Logs Trail. This is another side. This is in the left side guys. So it's beautiful. Yeah, look at the weather, guys. It's amazing. Yeah, it's actually very beautiful, guys. Yeah, it's amazing. And this place is called the Log Trails at Lakeside Garden in Jurong Lake Garden, guys. This is another day adventure for me and another an awesome day for me, guys. It's actually amazing. So I'm going out into the logs trail now, guys, at Butterfly Field. Yeah, this is also called the Butterfly Field, guys. Yeah, today the weather, it's really good. It's amazing and beautiful. Jurong Lake Gardens, guys, is also one of the famous place here in Singapore. And today is a lot of people. And this place is good for running, jogging, cycling, walking. And also one of the tourist attractions and tourist spots here in Singapore. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.